Abraham Lincoln's leadership was extraordinary not because of his power, but because of his ability to bring people together. In Team of Rivals, Goodwin paints a brilliant portrait of a leader who understood that real strength comes from unity, not division.
Doris Kearns Goodwin's Team of Rivals is not just a biography of Abraham Lincoln. It is a deep exploration of leadership, emotional intelligence, and the art of unifying diverse perspectives in times of crisis. The book tells the remarkable story of how Lincoln, an underestimated figure from humble beginnings, managed to defy expectations, outmaneuver seasoned politicians, and unite a deeply divided nation during the Civil War. What makes his leadership extraordinary is not just his political acumen but his ability to bring together his fiercest political competitors and transform them into a powerful and effective team. At a time when division, ego, and ambition ran rampant in American politics, Lincoln could have taken the traditional route, surrounding himself with loyalists and removing those who once opposed him. Instead, he chose a radically different path. He filled his cabinet with his former rivals, men who had competed against him for the presidency and often looked down on him. These men, including William H. Seward, Salmon P. Chase, Edward Bates, and Edwin Stanton, had no reason to admire Lincoln at first. Many of them viewed him as unqualified, inexperienced, and beneath them. But rather than let their egos and past rivalries divide his administration, Lincoln harnessed their strengths, won their trust, and united them around a common cause: the preservation of the Union. The brilliance of Team of Rivals lies in its timeless lessons on leadership, coalition building, and emotional intelligence. Lincoln's approach teaches us that true leaders do not fear strong opinions or competition. Instead, they welcome them, knowing that the best decisions come from diverse perspectives and healthy debate. His story offers powerful insights not only for political leaders but also for anyone in business, management, or personal leadership roles. Lincoln's rise to power was far from easy. He was a self-educated man from a poor background who lacked the aristocratic connections and refined upbringing of his rivals. Yet, he defeated three of the most prominent politicians of his time, Seward, Chase, and Bates, to secure the Republican nomination in 1860. While these men viewed Lincoln as a political outsider, he saw an opportunity. Rather than alienate them after winning the presidency, he invited them into his administration. Initially, Seward believed Lincoln was unfit for the presidency and assumed he would dominate Lincoln as a chief advisor. However, over time, Lincoln won him over with patience, kindness, and strategic wisdom, turning Seward into one of his most trusted allies. Chase was openly ambitious, constantly scheming to replace Lincoln in the next election. Yet, Lincoln recognized Chase's brilliance in finance and kept him in his cabinet because he was the best person for the job, proving that Lincoln valued results over personal grudges. Stanton had publicly mocked Lincoln before his presidency, calling him an incompetent guerrilla. Yet Lincoln, knowing Stanton's expertise was indispensable, appointed him as Secretary of War and proved through his leadership that mutual respect mattered more than past insults. Lincoln's ability to win the respect of men who once despised him showcases his unique emotional intelligence. He did not demand personal loyalty, he inspired it through his integrity, humility, and commitment to a cause greater than himself.
Hear that, son?
One of Lincoln's greatest strengths was his emotional intelligence, his ability to understand people, diffuse tensions, and bring out the best in
When's the
others.
last time you read a book?
He was a master listener, taking time to hear different perspectives before making decisions. Unlike many leaders who react impulsively, Lincoln was patient, thoughtful, and skilled at managing egos. He used humor to break tension. Lincoln was known for telling stories and cracking jokes, even during difficult moments. This disarmed his critics and helped him connect with people on a human level. He showed empathy even toward those who opposed him. Instead of seeking revenge, Lincoln sought understanding. He knew that his ability to unite people was more important than proving them wrong. He practiced humility. Despite his immense power, Lincoln remained grounded, approachable, and willing to admit when he was wrong. He never acted out of arrogance or personal pride. This emotional intelligence was key to holding his administration together. Even when personal rivalries arose within his cabinet, Lincoln's steady hand ensured that his team remained focused on their shared goal, the survival of the Union.
His presidency was a testament to the idea that great leadership is not about surrounding yourself with yes-men, but about embracing different perspectives, managing egos, and keeping a clear focus on the greater good. His legacy endures because his leadership principles are timeless, universal, and more relevant today than ever.